Welcome to the channel. If you're using Bet365 and you'd like to withdraw funds to your bank account within the Australian region, you're in the right place. I'm going to take you through every step by step. Let's go. Righto, ladies and gentlemen. So let us begin by logging into our Bet365 account. Click on your account icon in the top corner, navigate to the bank section and select the withdraw option from the menu once you've actually logged in. Select from multiple secure withdrawal options designed for Australian customers, each with a different processing time and convenience level to suit your needs. Make sure that you read through them, make sure that you know what it is that you're actually choosing as a payment method or a withdrawal method. You know how long it's going to take and if there's any fees that will be occurred. Then you need to verify your account. So you need to complete a KYC verification, which is a know your customer verification by submitting a valid ID and a proof of address before your first withdrawal. This is a one-time process and it ensures security and it prevents any delays. Enter your withdrawal amount, double check all of your details for accuracy, enter your Bet365 password for security verification, and then submit your request for processing.